Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rinsel Brown. Ngayon ay magluto ako ng macaroni fruit salad. Salamat sa lahat sa nag-support sa aking channel. Huwag kayong magsawa sa panood ng aking channel. So please like and comment. Thank you. Na ang mga ingredients sa macaroni fruit salad, 1 can pineapple slice, you can cut a little bit, and then 1 can tropical fruits pineapple, and 1 pack shredded cheddar cheese. Then one box raisins, and then 1 jar real mayonnaise, and then the last is boiled cooked macaroni, and the last one is condensed milk. Ito na ang mga procedure paano gagawin yung macaroni fruit salads. Kaunti lang yung raisins, guys. Depende sa inyo kung gusto mong damihan. Just only half for condensed milk. Because I cannot find the store the small condensed milk. That's why I found the big one. Mayonnaise, lagyan ko ng 3 tablespoon mayonnaise. Depende sa inyo, guys. Kung gusto mong damihan, kayo na ang bahala. Shredded cheese. Tapos, haluin natin, guys. Kaunting salt, guys. Ito na yung resulta natin, ang macaroni fruit salad. At ilagay mo sa fridge sa 1 hour hanggang malamig.